Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And today I'm going to show you how to write scripts for explainer videos using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Explainer videos are a powerful way to simplify complex topics and engage your audience effectively. With ChatGPT, you can create clear, concise, and compelling scripts tailored to your topic and audience. For example, you might say, write an explainer video script about the benefits of solar energy for homeowners. ChatGPT will create a well-structured script that includes an introduction, key points, examples, and a call to action. You can customize the tone and style to fit your brand, whether it's casual, professional, or friendly. Having a strong script ensures your explainer video communicates your message clearly, keeping viewers interested and informed. And guys, using ChatGPT saves you time and boosts your creativity by providing a solid starting point. And that's that, guys. Now you have learned how to write effective scripts for explainer videos quickly and professionally using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.